Another day, another story. In today's video, we will be discussing how to convert the price per liter to the price per gallon using a simple step-by-step guide. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to compare prices of liquids from different regions or countries, then you know that it can be a bit tricky. This is because different regions or countries use different units of measurement. For instance, the United States uses gallons, while many other countries use liters. But don't worry, we are here to help you with this conversion. First, let's define what we mean by price per liter to price per gallon. The price per liter to the price per gallon is the cost of 1 liter of a liquid given in dollars, converted to the cost of 1 gallon of the same liquid given in dollars. To convert price per liter to price per gallon, we need to determine the conversion factor. The conversion factor for converting liters to gallons is 0.2641720524. This means that 1 gallon is equal to 3.7854111784 liters. Now that we know the conversion factor, we can move on to the next step. To calculate the price per gallon, we need to divide the price per liter by the conversion factor. For example, if the price per liter is $1.50, we would divide $1.50 by 0.2641720524. This gives us a price per gallon of $5.67. After calculating the price per gallon, it is a good idea to round the result to 2 decimal places. This will make it easier to compare prices with other sources. In the example above, the price per gallon would be rounded to $5.67. While the above steps are easy enough to do by hand, using a price per liter to price per gallon calculator can save you time and effort. There are several online calculators available that can do the conversion for you, such as the one found at askmycalculator.com. Now that we have discussed the steps involved in converting price per liter to price per gallon, let's look at some examples. For instance, if you bought 1 liter of milk for 87 cents and you want to know what the price per gallon is, you need to divide the price per liter by the number of gallons in 1 liter. The calculation would be, price per gallon equals price per liter, 0.2641720522. So, in this case, the price per gallon would be $3.29. In conclusion, converting price per liter to price per gallon is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can quickly convert prices from one unit of measurement to another. With the help of a price per liter to price per gallon calculator, you can make the conversion even faster and more accurately. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.